Welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie, and today I'm going to create a French with 3 sparkling glitters and freehand painting. First of all, I'm going to apply nail prep dehydrator on natural nail and 1 coat of acid-free primer. First, I'm going to take a bead of clear acrylic powder to make a connection between the natural nail and the extension. Check the side wall to be very clean and neat and pull the product down and make the ballerina shape. Now we're going to do a bead. We are going to create a French look. I'm going to take the warm beige color to create the French. Check both sides of your nail. Create a really nice pointy French. And where you are satisfied with the shape, we're gonna add some glitter to the extension. And we're going to use clear acrylic and 3 different glitter. I'm going to pick a clear bead and dip into the glitter and apply on the extension. And drag the product down. Make sure that the glitter touch the French that we already done. You can use as many glitter as you want. Many different color, different texture. So now I'm going to encapsulate it. The extension, the glitter extension, with clear acrylic powder. So now I'm going to pinch a little bit. So now we can remove the form and start a filing routine. We're going to do side wall first. Now I'm gonna do the cuticle area. Now I'm going to use my white block to smooth the surface of the nail. And now we're going to add some small dots with white acrylic paint to finish the design. I'm gonna add some dots near the cuticle area, and now I'm gonna top coat to seal it the design. And we're going to cure for 30 seconds. I'm gonna add some cuticle oil. And this is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the products used will be listed below. Until next time, au revoir!